everybody. Hey, Highway 101 is pretty boring for the most part, but every now and then you get a real scenic area, and we're in it right now. This little bit is just below tiny town of Buellton, which the new 101 bypassed. Almost killed it, but they came back. This is the tail end of the coastal range here in California, and it's literally the mountain range that trails along the coast. All part of that big tectonic party, which the Pacific plate crashed into the continental plate, pushing everything around and up. Just a big wrinkle. I'm not sure the repairs to this lane are actually better than whatever damage that was here. We're gonna scream through this little twisty. Now we're on the original side of 101 when it first went through. Yoo-hoo! But when they expanded it, they couldn't fit any more road on this side because of the rocks and stuff. So what they did to fit the highway, or more of the highway, is they put that tunnel through the rocks. And we come home, we're gonna go through that tunnel. It's not long. It's not really all that exciting. See all these rocks and buttresses coming back the other way, and they're a lot prettier going north. Now the great thing about coming through that mountain pass, the Gaviota Pass, and that's the last barrier you come across before you pop out in the ocean again. Woo, it is windy down here, which is pretty normal. The winds come off these mountains. Even the most mild southerly wind, as soon as it hits this cooler ocean air, it really drops down out of the atmosphere and goes roaring down these hills. pretty dangerous when there's a fire, because even in the summertime, whatever cool air still crashes down these hills and goes roaring into the beach. And if there's ever a fire, well, it's just blown out of control. There's not much the firefighters can do about it. A few years ago, I think it was 88 or 89, Santa Barbara experienced the Painted Cave fire. It was an arson fire, unfortunately. But the winds were doing 30, 40 miles an hour. And that's nearly as fast as the fire went through a number of neighborhoods, just destroyed hundreds of houses. My brother lost everything except what he had on his back and in his truck that he went to work that morning. Man, it's windy today. Windy. But it warmed up a bit. Thank goodness. And it was a little chilly coming down, but now the wind is cool, but it's way far from cold. It is bright and sunny out. And hey, I'm sorry y'all in the Midwest and in the East, but you literally couldn't ask for better riding weather. In February. I know. I should laugh at you guys. Like I said, there's plenty wrong with California, and there's more than a few reasons to move out of here. But you know, it's pretty hard to leave this near paradise that we live in. I don't know if you can see it, but way out there are the islands. Santa Barbara Island, Santa Rosa Island. They used to be big ranches, lots of cattle out there. But since the families went away, it became a, well, not a national park, but national reserve. And everything's protected out there now. But how cool was it? You could live on your own great big island, fully self-sustainable. There's water and plenty area to farm. Okay, on the way down, I promised you some tunnel action. Let me tell you, the wind has picked up pretty damn heavily since this morning. It's blowing me all over the road. Now you can see the sheer rock formations coming into view now. All that used to be sandy ocean bottom before it got pushed up. said the highway used to come to the down that single track until they expanded the highway to put these lanes in. They couldn't knock enough of that mountain off, so they said, well, we'll just poke a hole in it, which is what they did. One of the few tunnels in California. We don't have very many of them. You just gotta do that going through a tunnel on a motorcycle. Just gotta.